In this video, you will get a HeyGen alternative AI that is completely free. It's called Vidnoz. Create engaging AI videos 10x faster for free. You can create videos on any topic with 1900 plus AI avatars, 2000 plus realistic AI voices, and 2800 plus templates. It is a 100% free AI video generator. Let's see how to use this AI. First, click on AI avatar to get a free AI avatar. You can see a lot of realistic AI avatars here, and you can use filters to find them easily. After choosing one, you should check the avatar character and voice.
Idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in minutes.
I have selected this one and continued. Now, you need to set up some settings. For a realistic voice, you can upload your voice here, and it will automatically clone it to sound like you. Or, you can choose one from the available options. From here, you can increase or decrease the video speed, pitch, and volume. If you don't need subtitles, you can turn this option off. From the upper side, you can also change the background. The final step is to paste your script here and click play to proceed. I have generated this video using Vidnoz. Let's check the quality.
Stop scrolling. Your content is losing sales. Low engagement, boring videos, no conversions. I create high-converting AI videos that grab attention and drive results.